'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. Some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. आज की वीडियो में हम आपको दिखाएंगे प्री ओन्ड बाइक्स के बारे में कि कौन कौन सी बाइक प्री ओन्ड बाइक्स हमारे पास अवेलेबल है। तो ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन अभी दिखाते हैं आपको। ये है निंजा 1000 2020 मॉडल। आइए इसका साउंड चेक कराते हैं आपको। निंजा 1000 2019 मॉडल सिर्फ 1800 किलोमीटर चली है। सेरामिक कोटिंग हो रखी है इसमें, टैंक पैड लगा हुआ है। आइए देखिए, फर्स्ट ओनर है। किलोमीटर्स दिखाते हैं इसकी आपको। आइए 1894 किलोमीटर चली है। साउंड चेक कराते हैं। ये है Z900 2019 मॉडल, 6200 किलोमीटर चली है। इसमें टैंक पैड लगा हुआ है, फ्रेम स्लाइडर्स लगे हुए हैं। आइए इसका साउंड चेक कराते हैं और ऑडियो रीडिंग दिखाते हैं आपको। 6206 किलोमीटर चली है। फर्स्ट ओनर है। मॉडल सिर्फ 884 किलोमीटर चली है। फर्स्ट ओनर है। एग्जॉस्ट नोट सुनाते हैं इसका।
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
तो फ्रेंड्स, जैसे कि आपने हमारे वीडियो में देखा, हमारे पास जो भी बाइक है बहुत ही अच्छी कंडीशन में बाइक है। बाकी प्राइस के लिए नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दे रखा है हमने, आप हमें कॉल करें और अपना डील ग्रैब करें। हमारे पास प्री ओन्ड बाइक्स आती रहती हैं, तो जो भी आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट है आप हमें कॉल कर सकते हैं।